AccountEdge is a software designed to help small businesses manage their accounting tasks efficiently. It includes tools for handling sales, purchases, payroll, and inventory. Users can keep track of their finances, generate reports, and ensure their business operates smoothly. Let's have a look at the key features of AccountEdge software: invoice management, expense control, financial transactions, financial reporting, relationship management, time management, data operations. Let's have a look at the benefits of AccountEdge software. Comprehensive financial management, user-friendly interface, flexibility and customization, data security, integration capabilities, multi-user access, compliance and updates, support and resources, cost-effective. Meru Accounting has expert financial professionals who have expertise and deep knowledge of AccountEdge software. Our team has extensive experience in implementing, customizing, and optimizing AccountEdge for various industries. Here are some services we offer using AccountEdge software: bookkeeping services, payroll management, inventory management, bank reconciliation, tax preparation and filing, budgeting and forecasting, financial consultation. AccountEdge offers both desktop and cloud app-based versions, allowing users to choose the option that best fits their needs. Partner with Meru Accounting today and transform your business with the power of AccountEdge software. Contact us today and ensure your business success and growth.